Welcome back to GHRTV. In today's regional update, we will be highlighting the International Court of Justice on Syria and the disputed territory of Nagorno-Karabakh between Armenia and Azerbaijan. On 10th and 11th October 2023, the International Court of Justice held public hearings on a request for the indicate of provisional measures submitted by Canada and the Netherlands. In a case concerning application of the Convention Against Torture and Other Cruel, Inhuman, or Degrading Treatment or Punishment, at the Peace Palace in The Hague, the seat of the court. This is the first oral hearings in the case, and the proceedings against Syria have been lauded as a significant step towards holding the Syrian state responsible for acts of torture committed in Syria since 2011. In June 2023, the Netherlands and Canada filed a joint application to bring a case against Syria before the International Court of Justice for torture, as Syria has violated the Convention Against Torture and Other Cruel, Inhuman, or Degrading Treatment or Punishment, known as the Convention Against Torture, which Syria became a state party in August 24. Syria has tortured tens of thousands of its people and maintains a widespread and pervasive system of abhorrent treatment. What court justices have heard at the first international case related to the civil war in the country. In the same week, the ICJ also held public hearings on the request for the indication of provisional measures submitted by the Republic of Armenia in the case concerning of the application of the International Convention on the Elimination of All Forms of Racial Discrimination. On Thursday, 12 October 2023, Armenia has called on the International Court to confirm Azerbaijan's commitment to refrain from any action, directly or indirectly, aimed at deporting the remaining ethnic Armenians from Nagorno-Karabakh, as well as withdrawing all military and law enforcement personnel from all civilian establishments in Nagorno-Karabakh, occupied as a result of its armed attack on 19th of September 2023. Thousands of ethnic Armenians have fled Nagorno-Karabakh following Azerbaijan's seizure of the disputed region. Faced with threats of genocide and ethnic cleansing by Azerbaijan, over 100,400 ethnic Armenians, nearly the entire current population of Nagorno-Karabakh, had fled by the end of September 2023. This mass displacement of people has been described by international experts as a war crime or crime against humanity, which has now been brought before the ICJ. Additionally, Armenia's parliament has approved a key step towards joining the ICJ, a move that is set to escalate tensions with the ex-Soviet country's traditional ally, Russia, especially as the ICC wants to arrest Putin. Armenia's sense that Russia has let it down has been sharpened by Azerbaijan's seizure of Nagorno-Karabakh, which followed a 9-month blockade of food and fuel supplies to the enclave that Russian peacekeepers did nothing to relieve. The gravity of these human rights violations in Syria and Nagorno-Karabakh highlight the growing urgency for international bodies and courts to hold perpetrators accountable and restore justice and peace, especially because of the ongoing violations. Thank you for tuning in to this human rights updates. For more information and human rights news, please follow us on our social media and GHRTV.org.